The most important part is getting consistent traffic in order to get commission. Here are some of the ways to create your online assets and that you can use to promote your affiliate offers. First one is to have a blog. You can either create it in Wix or WordPress. Starting a blog is very useful if you are in affiliate marketing. You can write product descriptions, product comparisons, product reviews, and whenever someone searches something on Google, if you have a good SEO of an article, then your articles will pop out. Writing articles and then putting your affiliate links in that articles is a good way to get consistent traffic. Here is an example of a guy who is in affiliate marketing, and if you see, he has written hundreds of blog posts, and each one of those he has affiliate links. Here are some of the suggestions. What are the best platforms to use for dropshipping? And as you can see here, everything that is highlighted, that's probably an affiliate link. So check that out to see how he's making money. The second way is to start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is free, and if you like to make videos, then this is a perfect opportunity to promote affiliate products. You can always make a video where you give product reviews or you show how something can be used. You can talk in general if you're knowledgeable about the topic, and then mention products that you would suggest others should use as well. The description space below your video is a perfect place to put your affiliate links. For example, this guy usually talks about minimalism, financial investing, and so on. And as you see here, he has placed the links in the description. And if someone clicks on that and buys the product, he will get a commission. The third way is to run Facebook ads. But be careful with Facebook. Running ads is very difficult, especially if you are in affiliate marketing. It's very easy to get banned on Facebook and your accounts can get locked indefinitely. Why? Facebook doesn't like affiliate marketing. Before you start running ads, make sure you have created a Facebook page, not a profile, a Facebook page that is related to your business and that you have created some type of engagement with that site before. Make sure you have enough likes to the page and enough followers before you start running ads. Another way is to create a Facebook group that can help you gain likes and build trust with Facebook, and that way you can create a community around the product or service that you're promoting. A fourth way is to do the old-fashioned way of running ads on Google or Bing. It is simple to start, but you are competing with a lot of companies and the costs can be high. You need to learn how to target the right people. Bing is less expensive than Google, but also limited because you can only run search campaigns. Google gives you more flexibility when it comes to type of ads that you can run, but they are also very strict, so make sure you follow the guidelines. And the fifth way of running and getting free traffic is TikTok. TikTok has gained a lot of popularity lately, and it has become one of the most lovable platforms for affiliates. Videos are short and you can be very creative. You can place your links in your bio and you can get a lot of exposure. There are plenty of affiliate marketers that has succeeded with TikTok, and make sure to check out this platform and see if this is something that will work for you.